Yo, hello team ITT. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. So thank you very much for each and every one of you that is joining in right now. Israel the trader speaking. So thank you very much for tuning in, right? So before we start, guys, let's talk about today's sponsor of the video, which is Trader Central, right? So Trader Central are funding ecosystem that fund retail traders. So if funding is your problem or funding is your issue in the forex market, Trader Central is here for you. So make sure you check them out, and they will fund you in about 24 hours. So me myself, I'm using Trader Central, and of course, if you've not yet watched my video that I made about Trader Central, the one I took challenge and stuff like that, of course you can just check them out on this particular YouTube channel. And also, if you want to just check out Trader Central, link is in the description of this video. You will get 30% discount on your first purchase. So click on the link in the description of this video, and Trader Central is there for you, right? And Trader Central offers so many benefits, guys, like portfolio tracker and trade copier and stuff like that. So lots more things that Trader Central is kind of offering that some funding ecosystem don't offer it at all, right? So go ahead and check Trader Central. It is here for you guys. All right, so let's continue with today's video. Okay guys, so today's video we're going to be checking lots of things. One of them is what we refer as GBP JPY. Of course, you guys know that I'm already in GBP JPY trade, and also I'm in AUD USD trade, right? So these are the two trades that I'm officially in for the week. So let's see what the market has for us this week, guys. Of course, the market is kind of retracing right now. Let's see when the London session opens. Definitely, we are going to be seeing a move to the upside on AUD USD, GBP, JPY, and stuff like that. So AUD USD, the move is for like 180 pips, but on GJ, I'm seeing a move of 200 pips, right? So right now, that's what is happening on this currency pairs, right? So of course, as we are continuing, guys, if you have any particular chart or if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, just send it in the live chat section and say, hey Israel, can you check this particular pair for me? And I will gladly do that, right? So just do that and I will check it out for you, right? Okay, so let's continue with what we are here for. So but hold on, let me just share the link to our Telegram channel so that they can come and join us live and direct, right? It is very important. Okay, so I will try to break down the analysis on this particular pair being being AUD, and also we'll go down and check what happened on GBP JPY. Why did I bought the trade and stuff like that, right? It is very important for us to know, because if you are trading and you don't know why you are taking that particular trade, definitely you are not a trader, right? You are not a trader, in my opinion. I don't know your opinion, but in my opinion, if you don't have any reason of why you are getting into any trade, definitely you are not a trader. You are just more of like a gambler and stuff like that. And gambling doesn't actually work here in the forex market. Gambling doesn't work at all. Like, it doesn't work at all, you know what I mean? So you should be able to know why you are getting into any trade if you are a trader. It is very important, guys. Okay, so of course, if you are not yet in our free Telegram channel, link is in the description. You can just go and join us, guys, so that you just join us in all of our social media handles, so that you not fall for these people that are kind of scamming others and stuff like that. I observe that some people are claiming to be me, and some people are saying I do sell indicators, whereby me myself, I don't use indicators, right? So make sure you're following the right handle. Link is in the description, and just follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and our Telegram account. It is very important, guys. And of course, if this is the first time here, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Maybe they'll find it very helpful as well, right? So I just have like 30 minutes to stay here with you guys, doing this analysis, checking all of these things and stuff like that. So make sure you tell me which pair that you want me to analyze for you, or which pair you want me to check out for you, right? It is very, very important. So somebody say that GBP JPY. Of course, GBP JPY, I'm already in that trade. Like, I bought GBP JPY yesterday, guys. You guys are seeing my my outlook on GJ, and also, you know, the analysis and everything. You guys are seeing it, yeah. So you should be able to know that I'm in a buy on GJ. So you guys are seeing the analysis on GJ. So what actually happened is, if you go down to the 4-hour time frame, you guys seen it, right? You guys seen I have my major support and resistance and this particular trend line. So the trend line got broken. You can see, boom, got broken, came down for a retracement, right? So right here, the market created what we refer as a double bottom formation. I don't know if some of you guys trade a market pattern. So this is a market pattern formation, and we refer it as a double bottom formation, right? You can see this 1-2 formation here. So after that, you know, I saw this particular candle, which is a rejection to the downside, and you can see that after the market broke out, then boom, came down for a retracement, then try to push back up to the upside, but there's some sort of resistance level here. That's why you see that the market pushed down to this point, right? So right now, our target on GJ is to go back up to this level before it's either going to break out to the upside or it's going to go down to the downside, right? And of course, in this case right now, I'm seeing that GJ is going to break out to the upside. So of course, if you go down to the daily time frame as well, you're going to be seeing lots of things, you know, more interesting things on the daily time frame as well. So you have to know how to trade, and you have to know why you are taking a trade, right? So this is why I'm bullish on GG right now. So I don't know if you guys have any other contribution or any question, you know, because that's one of the reasons why I'm actually bullish on GJ. So do you all have any question? Of course, you go down to the smaller time frame, be like 1 hour and stuff like that. So like on the 1 hour time frame right now, the market is just trying to come down for a retracement, guys, but it will still push back up to the upside. So we took about how many pips? About almost 60 something pips. So second check profit was even triggered, yeah. Second TP was triggered, guys, on GJ. So I did not even update them about that. So I will update them, and that's it, right? Okay, the second TP is 159267. 159267. Okay, yeah, it hit my second take profit, so I'll have to update them so that they can know that yes, it hits second TP, right? Very important. Okay, guys, like I do say, if you have any question about this particular pair, you can just ask right now before I proceed. Remember, I have only about 30 minutes here, then we're going to do one or two things. It is very important, yeah. Okay. Yep, I just updated you guys on Telegram. If you're on Telegram, you'll see that message right now, right? Okay, can I still get in? It's kind of late right now, to be honest. It's kind of late right now for you to get in on GJ, but of course you can still take the risk if you want to get in, you know. Because you see my entry point, yeah. See my entry point right here. This is where my entry point is. So that's when I execute this trade on my account, and I send it to my student. I send it to the ICT students, so you just check us out. If let me, to the premium students, by the way, not just students and stuff like that. Let me just show it to you guys so that you guys can know that I'm doing this right. You can see here, so you can see when I took the buy, you can see here, so you can see my entry point, which is around price 158.758. So you can see my stop loss and stuff like that. Also you can see the target, which is 200 pips. So this is ITT premium channel where I teach my students my exact strategy so that they can be profitable in the forex market as well, right? So this is our VIP signals channel, and this is our group chat where I chat with them personally, right? I answer their questions, and we do have Zoom calls and things like that. Like today is Wednesday, so we're going to be having a Zoom call right here, and they'll be able to join so we can discuss one or two things. It is very, very important, right? So that's it, guys. Let's go back down to the main business so that we can just know exactly what's going on all of these particular pairs, being GBP, JPY, the one that we are treating on, or the one that we are the one that we are currently analyzing, right? So of course, I'll try to look out for another particular pair, being like Euro JPY, Euro USD, and stuff like that, so that we can just analyze it as well. So somebody is saying, can I still get in on this trade? Like I said, I already execute this particular trade, and in my opinion, you are kind of late into the market. But if you think that you can still get in, then why not get in? But I'm telling you that you are kind of late, because right now, comparing where I got in and stuff like that, you can see it is 36 pips in profit right now, and went all the way to about 62 pips in profit. So of course, if you want to get in, you can still get in, but I'm still holding my buy position here. We will see what is going to happen in the meantime, right? So let's go down to check on AUD USD to know what's happening. AUD USD as well is still pushing to the upside, you all can see. So AUD USD, we are in profit of still in profit of 24 pips. So this one did not hit our second take profit, but went all the way to about 40 pips in profit. So we will see when it hits our final take profit, guys. And all this trade, I said it to my students, you know what I mean? So we aren't joking here, bro. We are not playing at all. We mean business. That's why we're here, to make money. So why not make everybody to earn money? So that's just my point, So I don't have nothing much. So, and of course, guys, if you did not give this video a thumbs up yet, what are you waiting for? That's the only way you can just support us. So just give this video a thumbs up so that you just support the channel as well, right? Very, very important. And share with your friends and family, or share it to the group of forex traders, so that they can come and join us and benefit from my knowledge, right? Of course, if you are benefiting, why wouldn't they benefit from it as well? So don't be greedy. Share with your friends and family, and share to the some group and whatsoever. But make sure you're complying with their rules, right? Like different admins have their different rules. So if sharing a link from third party is against their rule, don't share it, right? Don't go against their rule, guys. Never go against their rule. Because me personally, if they go against my rule, definitely I take action. So I shouldn't be the one like trying to get you into trouble and stuff like that. So try to obey their rules and stuff like that. Very, very important, yeah? Okay, so this is what I'm seeing on AUD/USD as well. AUD/USD is going to go for like 180 pips move, guys. So we have a lot of rooms to go on this. So I'm just trying to check and see how far we've gone on them. Very, very important here. So let's check EJ, which is Euro JPY. So Euro JPY right now is trying to still push down to the downside for a retracement. Let's see. Okay, so I created this double top formation. So right now, yep, Euro JPY is still gonna push back up to the upside, but let's see. We are supposed to have something like a trend line here, this way. So okay, so let's wait for candlestick pattern. When we have candlestick pattern formation here on Euro JPY, remember, I'm gonna do something like this. So that's gonna be the target, like our final target, right? So gonna measure it in pips, but right now I'm not taking this particular trade, so it's gonna be for, let's say, 250 pips, and your stop loss is gonna be below this particular previous low, so that you not just get out of the market and stuff like that. So if you just risk 50 pips, it's not that bad. So it's gonna be 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So of course there are some things that you have to wait, guys. This is a moving trend right now, so you have to wait for the market to break out of this structure as well. Wait for the market to break out of it if you can. But me personally, I will get into the market whenever I see a candlestick pattern formation here, like, because you see this is an interesting area where we might see that the market will push to the upside, right? You can see these zones. So this is an interesting area. So we will see what is going to happen, or how the market is going to react to this level when it reaches, right? Of course, right now, what I'm going to be waiting for is let the market give me some sort of candlestick patterns or candlestick formations right at this level. Then I'll execute my trade right away. I'll just get into the trade and ride it all the way to the upside, right? So that's what I'm seeing on EJ right now. That's what I'm seeing on EJ. Yeah. So, and of course, if you have any question or you have any particular pair that you want to analyze, you can just say, hey Israel, analyze this pair for me and stuff like that, right? Okay, so let me just send a link to our Telegram, to our audience on Instagram, so that they can come and join us live and direct as well. It is very important, guys. You are not the only person that wants to be a profitable trader. Lots of them, they want to be a profitable traders as well. So let me just share the link with them, and that's it. Yeah, let me try to do 1 or 2 things, guys. Very important. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, so that's it. Sorry, I was trying to send some links and stuff like that, right? Just hold on. Okay, Israel is saying, good morning, boss. It's been a while here. Keep up the good work. Thank you very much, sir. Really appreciate it. Yeah, it's been a while, man. So even today I just have like 30 minutes, so that's why I say, okay, let's before the London session open, let's just come here live and direct, so that we can just have one or two things, and I'll go back to do whatever that I'm doing, right? So that's one of the reasons why I just came here trying to do one or two things, guys. So of course, like I said, I'm waiting for Euro JPY to give me some sort of a good candlestick formations here before I will get into this trade, because I'm seeing a buy on Euro JPY. So if you are also seeing a buy on Euro JPY, definitely you just go and do it as well. Very important, yeah. Okay, guys, that's it. And of course, if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, you just write it down in the live chat section, and I will gladly do that, right? Because that's why we are here trading live and direct with you guys on YouTube, right? That's very, very important for you to just give me a pair that you want me to analyze, or a pair that you want to trade, right? Very important, yeah. So just try to do that. So let me try to check volatility 75 to know what's going on right there as well. It is very important. So let's try to check V75. So you will see V75 pushing to the downside, yeah. V75 push down to the downside. You can see a stop loss hit. I had a stop loss hit here when the market was right above this level, right? So right now it has broken out of this structure, but remember there is structure here, so that's why we are seeing that the market is trying to bounce off of it and go back up to the upside. So we might see a bounce off of V75 to go back up to the upside anytime soon. So let's see what is going to happen, right? Of course, if you know me, I trade V75 as well. So I don't know if you guys trade it, right? I don't know if you guys trade it, but me personally, I trade V75. Okay, so if you trade V75, of course, you already know what's up with it now, and that's why I'm telling you what is going to happen on volatility 75, right? So it is very important for you to just check it out and trade it. One thing with V75, guys, is that it can give you a huge amount of profit in just a short period of time, right? And also remember, it can also take away lots of money in short period of time as well, if you don't actually know how to trade it in a way that it will be very profitable, right? So of course, this is another level that I'm seeing, yeah. So this is another level. That's why I see the market is bouncing off of it. It's gonna go back up to the upside, guys, but we'll see what is gonna happen. I'm just waiting for V75 to give me some moves right now before I will execute a trade on volatility 75 as well. So coming back to the currency pair, so that we can just know what and what to trade and stuff like that. Very important, yeah. Okay, so we have about 7 minutes left here before we are going to end this for the day and things like that. So right now I'm open for question. If you have any question, guys, I'm open for question. Ask your question right now before I'm going to end today's live stream. So and of course, from now henceforth, we might just continue to do this live stream and stuff like that anytime I'm chanced. At times I might be very busy with one or two things, then I will not be able to come back here live on YouTube and stuff like that. Of course, you know that if you are live on YouTube, definitely you'll not be able to do nothing other than focusing on your audience, which is you guys. And that's one of the reasons why I'm coming here to just come and show you how to be a profitable trader, how to trade crypto, how to trade currency pairs, how to trade indices, how to trade indexes and stuff like that. And mind you, my strategy works on everything, guys. It works on everything, be it crypto, be it indices, be it indexes, whatever, it works on it, right? So you just keep that at the back of your mind, and that's it, man. So yeah, seems you guys don't actually have any questions. So with that being said, I would like to appreciate each and every one of you that tuned in to this into today's live stream. So I'm Sue Israel the Trader. So I'm gonna be signing out right now, guys, because I'm in 5 minutes. So no need for me to waste 5 minutes just talking and stuff like that, based on the fact that you guys don't actually have any question, right? So that's it. And also, just a quick reminder, you know, um, this is today's sponsor of the video, which is Trader Central. So if you are just a retail trader, or if you are just a trader that funding is your main problem, Trader Central is the solution for you, in the sense that if you are able to pass one or two challenge and verification and stuff like that, they'll fund you up to 200,000 US dollars, right? With small amounts of fee. So far so good, guys. Trader Central, their fee is the lowest out of this industry. So of course they'll fund you in about 24 hours. So just check them out. Link is in the description, and if you join with my link in the description, you get 30% discount on your first purchase. 30% discount. And also, just to remind you, I use Trader Central. Last time I showed you guys how I passed about 10,000 challenge on this particular platform being Trader Central. So they are kind of more reliable, guys. And also you can use it as a crypto exchange, where you can swap your cryptocurrency, meaning that you can change Bitcoin to Ethereum, you can change Ethereum to USDT, you can change Bitcoin to USDT and stuff like that. So Trader Central has lots of things to offer for traders. They offer portfolio tracker, copy trade, and so many benefits that you can get from this Trader Central. So it is very important for you to join them if funding is your problem, right? Okay, guys, with that being said, I wish each and every one of you a good week, good day, and a profitable day ahead, right? It is very important for you as a trader. So make sure you trade with a very good risk management, and also very important, don't go against your plan, guys. Never go against your plan. Like, never. Don't go against your plan. So I will leave you with this, guys, and because we just have about 2 minutes left now. So with that being said, thank you very much for each and every one of you that just tuned in. Once more again, I'm Israel the Trader, and I'm signing up, guys. Thank you very much. Catch you up on our videos later on in the day, right? I'm gonna see you soon, guys. Peace out, man.